Hello everyone, this is Reyhana from typing2freedom.com and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a review on pay-to-post systems. So if you've been on this website and you've been wondering whether it's a scam, whether it's legit, how it works, and whether you're actually going to get paid up to $9,000 for posting links online, then you've come to the right review because I will be exposing this program to you today. So stick around because I will also be giving you a tip on how to make money online at the end of this video. So stick until the end. I just want to welcome you if you are new to the channel. I do a lot of video reviews like this, and I also do videos to help you make money online. So if these are topics that you're interested in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I am on the main page or landing page for pay-to-post-system.com, and as you can see, they're actually saying that you can make up to $9,000 per month simply by posting links online. But unfortunately, there are several red flags, okay? The first red flag is David himself. So that's a photo of what he shows us he looks like, and he says that he's the CEO. Well, when I go onto Google and perform a reverse image search, this is what comes up. So this is basically a stock photo. It's not really a photo of David. It's a photo that the creator of pay-to-post system actually purchased from this website and just stuck his name under it. I don't know whether it's his name or not, but stuck a name under it and said that that's him. Well, unfortunately, as you can see, it is a complete lie. This is not really David, and we don't even know whether his name is really David or not, because when I went onto Google and put in David Humphreys and even put in affiliate marketer, online marketing, link posting, nothing of the sort came up. So I do believe that this might be a fake name that he is using. If he's lying to you about what he looks like or what his name is, then you can conclude that he might actually be lying to you about everything else on this website. Like, because of this lie, personally, I can't really trust what he says. But the next thing that I want to point out is that David says this is going to be a job, right? So as you can see, he says link posting salary. Well, a salary is associated with a job. You go down and then as you can see here, he's targeting job seekers, right? So this is supposed to be a job again. When you scroll down again right here, he says online link posting jobs are easy and can be started in under 15 minutes. You keep scrolling, and this is what you find out, right? This is what the link posting job entails, right? And then here again, he says you can be rest assured that the link posting job does not involve blah, 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 right? So as you can see, he is posting this as a job opportunity, right? But when you keep scrolling down, he's actually asking you for $17 as a one-time activation investment fee or whatever. I've never heard of an investment for a job. Like, you're not supposed to pay to get a job. They're supposed to pay you to do your job, right? And on top of that, he said that if this software is not available, then you're going to end up paying almost $2,000 a month in order to be able to post links online, basically. Well, that doesn't make any sense, right? So like I said, you're not supposed to be paying to get a job. They're supposed to be paying you. So that's why I believe that this is not a job, okay? You're not going to get paid for each link that you actually post. What I think this is about is affiliate marketing. And if you've never heard of affiliate marketing before, then let me just explain it to you briefly. So affiliate marketing is a way of making money online where you promote other people's products. And when people click on that affiliate link, so exactly why he says posting links online here, right? So you'll be copying and pasting those links around on the internet. People will click on those links and make a purchase of the product that's behind the link. You're gonna make a commission. But what David wants to make you think here is that you're going to get paid for each link that you copy and paste. He doesn't mention anything about sales needing to be made. On the other hand, like, he does tell you that the link posting job does not involve having to sell anything to anyone. You do not have to advertise anywhere. You don't have to do anything illegal. Okay, yeah, that's fine. You don't have to refer anyone. That's fine. You don't have to talk to anyone or deal with emails. You don't need to get a website. Okay, fine. But the first two ones are really what really bothers me here. He says that you do not have to sell anything to anyone. You do not have to advertise anywhere. Well, link posting or posting your affiliate links on the internet are not going to just bring you clicks and sales, right? You have to advertise what the product is behind the link in order to get people interested in buying it, right? So if you just post your link anywhere and everywhere, like, people are not going to pay attention to it. Like, they don't know what it is. They don't know what the product can do for them. They don't know even what the product is. And, you know, if it's a product that they don't need, then they're not going to buy it and you won't make any money. So yes, you do have to sell other people's products in order to earn, and you do have to advertise the link or the product in order to make any money here. Otherwise, you won't make anything, right? So like I said, this does not work as advertised. And I could tell from the very beginning that that was the case because of the red flags, right? So as you can see, there are tons of lies on this page, you know, including David Humphreys himself, where he lies to you about who he really is and what he really looks like. He tells you that this is a job when that's not really the case. This is a business opportunity because you have to pay for it. There's no such thing as link posting jobs, okay? Because even if you go onto the career page of all of these websites, you won't really find anything such as link posting. And even if you find something such as link posting, they're not going to pay you like almost $10,000 per month doing it, okay? Again, this is all about affiliate marketing, where you have to promote products from these platforms, and you need to make sales in order to earn anything. You're not going to earn by simply just copying and pasting a link. That's not how it works. Yeah, I don't really think that this is really going to work. These programs actually have a tendency of not having great training at all, or even just, you know, paid traffic training that is going to cost you at least a few $100s for you to experiment with, and thousands of dollars for you to scale up in order for you to be able to make the $9,000 or $10,000 that they claim on this website, okay? So what I can show you actually is to do affiliate marketing with free traffic, right? So all you have to pay for are your tools. Once you get to know what tools those are, you use them properly, and you start getting free traffic to your offerings or to your products, you can go ahead, you know, and start making sales. Because the kind of traffic that I will show you how to get, one is completely free, and two, is also high quality traffic. People are already looking to buy the products you want to promote. So, you know, if you write a good review or you talk about the product, you know, in a good light and tell people how amazing the product is and how it can solve their problem, then it's going to be a win-win-win situation, okay? 3 wins. The first win is that you're actually helping somebody. Somebody is being helped with their problem, and they're also, you know, they get a solution. They receive a solution for the problem they're having. Number 2, you're making some money, right? You're selling the product, you're making some money. And the third win is actually for the creator of the product or the vendor, because they're getting their products sold. So as you can see, it's a win-win-win situation for all 3. And I can show you exactly how that is done with my free guide. So if you go on to typingtofreedom.com/free-guide, you'll come to a page that looks like this. And all you got to do is put in your name and email address, where I'll be able to send you the free guide. You'll also be receiving my free 6-day email course that will help you get started on this journey. It's really going to help you just build a strong business foundation online, okay? Like I said, all of this is completely free. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to, but I will be introducing you to the tools that I use. They're either completely free or you will have a free trial of them, so you can see for yourself whether it's going to be worth it for you or not. And like I said, you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars per month to do this, okay? You can start for completely free. So let me help you. I actually make over $400 every single month part-time doing this. It's not the $9,000 per month, but like I said, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? It does take work and it takes some time, for you to become trusted, for you to learn the ropes, and for you to create a legacy for your future, right? So it takes time to become stable. If you want to learn it all, then go ahead, come to this website, typingtofreedom.com/free-guide. You'll come to this website, and this is my own website. You can go ahead, put in your name and email address, and I'll send you all of the information right away, okay? As well as a free 6-day email course that will help you get started. Thanks everyone for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give me a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more videos like this. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.